Hey there, curious minds. So last time we talked about how the universe began, the Big Bang. But that leaves us with a really big question. What came before the Big Bang? It's one of the deepest questions you can ask, like asking what's north of the North Pole, or what happens when you reach the edge of a never-ending story. It kind of twists your brain, doesn't it? Let's try to make sense of this together. First, here's something wild. According to our current understanding of physics, time and space both began with the Big Bang. So asking what came before is kind of like asking what's earlier than the first second of time. There may not be a before because time itself didn't exist yet. It's like trying to imagine a moment before moments existed. Kind of mind-blowing, right? But wait, scientists have explored some theories about what might have been going on, even before the Big Bang, or outside of it. One idea is called the cyclic universe. Imagine the universe like a heartbeat, expanding, then contracting, then expanding again. Maybe the Big Bang was just the latest in a series of bangs and crunches. Like the universe is breathing in and out over trillions of years. Another fascinating theory is the multiverse. What if our universe is just one bubble in a gigantic foam of universes? Picture soap bubbles floating together. Each bubble is its own universe, with its own rules and maybe even different kinds of physics. Our Big Bang could have been just one tiny pop in this grand multiverse. And then there's quantum cosmology, a field that mixes quantum mechanics and gravity. According to some scientists, before the Big Bang, the universe might have existed in a weird, fuzzy state, not really physical like we know it, but more like a cloud of possibilities. In this view, the universe didn't explode into existence. It emerged from a kind of quantum haze. Still with me? Here's something even stranger. The famous physicist Stephen Hawking once said that asking what came before the Big Bang is like asking what's south of the South Pole. It's a question that doesn't quite make sense, because space and time as we know them simply didn't exist. But hey, that doesn't mean we stop asking. In fact, the more we learn about the universe, the more new questions pop up. Like, could the laws of physics themselves have evolved? Is time a loop? Could our universe be the product of a black hole in another universe? Yeah, that's a real theory. The truth is, we don't have all the answers yet, but that's the beauty of science. It's not about having everything figured out. It's about exploring, wondering, and never being afraid to ask the biggest questions. So what came before the Big Bang? Maybe nothing. Maybe everything. Maybe something we haven't even imagined yet. And maybe, just maybe, asking that question is what makes us human. Thanks for watching, my fellow space traveler. If this video sparked even one new question in your mind, drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more epic journeys through time, space, and beyond. Until next time, stay curious.